Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a face animation like this. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is to register in the ninasoftware.com. I will put the link in the description. So click in login and register. Here you're gonna fill out the form with your username, email and password. And after that, just clicking register. I already have registered, so I just need to log in. After that, to use this face capture feature, you're gonna need to subscribe in the EmotionCap subscription that you will be able to use for 7 days free trial. So I already have subscribed. So just a quick explanation about the subscriptions. You have two ways to get the subscription license. The first one is getting a license key on Gumroad. Click here and get a license, and following the steps to check out the subscription. You're gonna get the license key in your email, and after that you just need to paste and activate. The second one is using a PayPal account if you have one. So just need to follow the step to check out here. Your will be activated automatically. Once you have subscribed, you can to access the face capture feature, clicking start camera. If you check this option, you can see the face landmarks on your face. So let's test it. Well, you can see these dots, that is the landmarks, and your face is already detected and is connected to the backend. On the left side, you can see the blend shapes values that is calculating in real time. So now to see this working and synchronizing with the model, let's jump into the Unity. Now let's integrate with the Unity. You need to check out the integration Unity page. Here you just need to click here in this button to download the integration pack. Now here in Unity, you need a 3D model with facial blend shapes following the ARKit 52 blend shape standard to drive the facial movements. I'm using a character creator model which is compatible with the EmotionCap because our package can automatically generate those blend shapes. If you are not sure how to properly import character creator models into Unity, with full facial blend shape support, we have a dedicated video covering that. I'll leave the link in the description. Now let's install the EmotionCap pack. To do that, just click here in Assets, Import Package and Custom Package. Find the Emotion Pack in the download folder to double click, and you will see the import window. Oh, I already imported. I need to import again. After you have imported, you will see the new software window and the new software folder here, where all the scripts are inside. In this window, you can authenticate it, clicking authentication login. Here in this window, clicking in login, you're gonna need to fill out this form with the same data that you have created from the EmotionCap.com. Put your username here and your password. And clicking login, you will see that you are authenticated. That's it for now here. So now let's to set up the 3D model with the plane shapes to create the face movements. To do that, we need to add this component, add the EmotionCap component, and add these mesh renderers that have the plane shapes to connect it to the component. To create the plane shapes, you need to select the object. How you can see, this object already have some plane shapes, but these plane shapes is not compatible with the ARKit standards. So to create the ARKit standard plane shapes, you need to click here in the software menu and EmotionCap and add ARKit shape keys and save. Now, how you can see, we have the plane shapes in all these objects. Follow the same steps for all these objects. Just select the object, click here, and add the ARKit shape keys. Yeah, so far so good. With just a few steps, we are ready to test it. So let's click and start camera. So start capture and play in Unity. Yeah, and how you can see, my face movements is already capturing, and now we can create a face animation. So let's do that. Now let's create an animation, and to do that I have click and start camera already. You can see here I'm gonna put in the other window. Here in the animation window, you can create a new animation. I'm gonna create a past I recommend to pop a base movement from the Kevin imported temp animation, because this already have the T-pose keyframes, so you don't get any issues with the move body. Copy these keyframes as keyframe base of your test of your animation. I have locked to the most my create animation, and you need to drag and drop in this clip field. So hit play to see your face movements detected, and I will hit play start. Is lost. I believe this is capturing my movements. I gonna make some movements like smile and open mouth and some twisted faces. And let's just stop recording. Well, you can see my keyframes is already here. I'm gonna stop the little window to see how the animation is so this is the result of the animation record. So if you enjoy the content and don't want to miss any updates, features and tools releases, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.